Have you ever wondered how maize is planted and how it can generate income? Today we're going to take a delightful journey through the entire process of maize cultivation, from the humble beginnings of a single maize seed through the careful nurturing of the growing plant, right up to the golden bounty of harvest time. And the best part, we'll explore how this process can turn that humble seed into a fruitful source of income. So stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating journey of a maize seed to a profitable crop. First things first, planting the maize. The journey of a maize crop begins with planting, a process that requires careful planning and execution. It all starts with land preparation, a stage that lays the foundation for the entire crop. The land must be well tilled, free of weeds and adequately fertilized, ready to offer a nurturing environment for the maize seeds. Next, we have the seed selection. This is no casual affair. The seed chosen must be of high quality, resistant to diseases and pests, and suitable for the specific climate and soil conditions. The right seed can be the difference between a bountiful harvest and a disappointing yield. Finally, we come to the actual planting. The maize seeds are sown with precision, ensuring that each seed has enough space to grow and flourish. The planting process is a delicate dance of balance, requiring just the right depth and spacing for optimal growth. With the maize now sown, we move on to the next crucial step, caring for the growing plants. Growing maize isn't a set-and-forget task. It requires diligent care and attention. Just like any living thing, maize thrives with the right care. This includes regular watering, especially during dry spells. Overwatering, however, can lead to root rot, so it's about finding that perfect balance. Weeds are another concern. These unwelcome plants compete with your maize for nutrients, water, and sunlight. Regular weeding is thus essential to ensure your maize gets all the resources it needs to grow strong and healthy. Then there's the matter of pests and diseases. From insects to fungi, maize has its fair share of enemies. Regular checks can help identify issues early, and the use of organic or chemical treatments can keep these threats at bay. Remember, a healthy crop is the key to a good yield. After months of nurturing, it's time for the most rewarding part, the harvest. The culminations of all the hard work, the harvest, is finally here. The maize has ripened, its golden hues dancing in the sunlight, ready to be reaped. Knowing when maize is ripe for the picking is crucial. A general rule of thumb is when the kernels are hard and the husks turn brown, a clear sign that it's time. Now, onto the actual harvesting. This process can be done manually for smaller fields or mechanically for large-scale operations. Care must be taken not to damage the corn ears during this process. Once harvested, the maize is then shelled, the kernels separated from the cob. Storage, too, plays a pivotal role. Maize should be stored in a cool, dry place, away from pests. Proper storage not only preserves the quality of the maize, but also its value. Remember, quality maize equals quality profits. With the harvest complete, we now arrive at the final step, selling the maize. Planting and caring for maize is only half the story. The other half is turning it into a profitable venture. Now let's talk about the various ways to generate income from your maize crop. One of the most direct methods is selling the fresh produce. A good yield, coupled with a fair market price, can result in a substantial return on your investment. But the opportunities don't stop at selling fresh maize. Processing it into various products presents another avenue for income. Maize can be transformed into a plethora of goods, from cornmeal and corn oil to popcorn and even biofuel. The possibilities are virtually endless. Moreover, maize is a staple in animal feed. If you own livestock or live in an area with a thriving livestock industry, selling maize as animal feed could be a profitable venture. Now, it's important to remember that understanding your market is crucial. Conduct market research to identify potential buyers, understand the demand, and determine competitive pricing. This way, you can position your maize and its byproducts in a way that appeals to the market. Finally, don't forget to create a unique selling proposition. Perhaps your maize is organically grown, or maybe you offer a product that's unique to your area. Whatever it is, make sure it sets you apart from your competitors. And there you have it, from a humble seed to a profitable crop, the journey of maize cultivation. Remember, with dedication and the right strategies, you too can turn maize into a gold mine.